So here is step by step on how to post your first ad. So the first step that you want to do is you want to make sure that you come to your business page. Now, you want to make sure that you come to a PC. If you don't see this on your phone, you can just find professional dashboard and you should be able to find it. But the first thing you want to do is go to Ad Center, which you'll see it's right there. So once you click on Ad Center, the next thing that you're going to want to do is click on Advertise. I accidentally cropped out the Advertise part, but it's on the top right. It's going to be in blue, and it's just going to say Advertise. So you're going to click on that. And then once you click on that, you're going to come down here where it says Create New Ad. So you're going to click on Create New Ad. And then step 4 is you're going to change this goal from automatic. You're going to want to change that to leads. So you're going to change that to leads. It's going to bring you over to step 5, which is this page right here. And you're going to click on leads. You can also do bookings, get more website purchases. It just depends on what you're doing. But for what we do, we normally put get more leads. So you're going to click on get more leads. And then it's going to bring you back to here. You can see here we changed it to get more leads. Then right here is where you put your ad copy. So right here you would put whatever your description of your product or service actually is right here. And then at the bottom where it says select media, this is where you're going to select your actual advertisement. So once you select on media, you're going to either add it from your favorites, your Instagram, your stock images. You could do images or video, or you can upload the ad that you're going to be using. So once you've uploaded the ad, right here you can change your headline. So your headline is going to be like your hook for your video. And then once you've done the hook, you're going to want to go over here to a button label, which is your call to action. So here it could be apply more, apply now, learn more, get a quote, sign up, or subscribe. For us, normally we always try to put learn more because it's the least aggressive one. So you're going to click on learn more. And then once you change the button label to learn more, you're going to want to create a form. So the form is where we're going to actually create the instant form to qualify your leads. So you can see here, you can put their name, their number, their email, and then you can ask them questions. So you want to have this 3 buttons clicked out. And then, depending on what kind of questions you want to ask, you just put add question, you type out the question, and this is what the client will see. So they have to fill these questions out in order to get to the next part. So once they do that, you create your ad targeting. So you scroll down and you see here where it says create new audience. You're going to create new. And then once you create new, you can change the name of your audience depending on who you're targeting. And then right here, you can change the gender. So whether you want to target men or women. And then right here, you're going to select the age group of the person that you are targeting. So once you've done that, you're going to scroll down to location. So this, depends if you're selling a service across the whole US, you'll leave the United States. But you could do city, you could do state, you could do a 5-mile radius, but you add that information here. Then once you've selected your location, you're going to go to detailed targeting and interest. This is probably one of the most important parts. So you want to make sure that whatever interests you're putting in are pertinent to your niche, right? So if it was car sales, you want to put car dealers, Hyundai, GMC, Toyota, Chrysler. So you want to put things that relate to your certain field, right? So if you're skin center, you might put skin, beauty, women, things that relate to your industry. So once you've done that, you've created your audience. You're going to come down here and you're simply going to go ahead and put your budget. So you could do it for the ad to run continuously at $10 a day, or you can choose to have it end in 10 days at $10 a day, depending on what you want to choose. So then you click on that, whatever your budget is, and then you come down here to publish, and that's pretty much it. You've posted your first ad, and that's it. That's how you post your first ad.